Alright, this video is for changing a trunk lock on a Caprice or other GMs. They might be similar, but this is a 79 Caprice, and all the box shift style Caprice should be similar to this. So first you gotta take this out, this clip. Mine doesn't have a screw in it because when I put the screw in it, it made it too tight and wasn't able to unlock the trunk. And I don't know, that's just how it came. So I already changed my lock, but a lot of people couldn't see my video. It's hard to tape and do this job at the same time. So you gotta take this clip out. They might send you a new one. I think I used my old one. I was having problems with the screw and the thing, and it was locking in too hard and it wasn't opening my lock. So now you can take this lock out. It's kind of hard to tape this stuff, but I'm trying. You can push it from back here, probably right there, yeah. And take this out. And it should all be connected, because that's how I put it in. Now, this part, you gotta put it in there. Make sure you put the key the right way too, so it's not upside down. You probably can only put it one way. And this comes out like there too, right? When you first get it, you have to put that in yourself. Also this rubber piece, which you put around into the correct positions. Right there. It's got little notches. That's just in the trunk lock hole. This part goes on the back of this right here, right? Goes on the back of that like that. Do it again just in case you guys missed it. My camera skills. It's hard to do this trunk lock one, right? Okay. So then you got it looking like that. Now you got to put it in that hole right there. Just like, oh shit. Don't drop your trunk lock if you can avoid it. See, I scratched it up. I scratched it up for y'all just so I can make this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Alright. I got a dent in my lock because of y'all. We can't see any tape, and I figured it out on my own without a videotape. Okay. Anyway, so I'm trying to show y'all this, but it's hard. Right? This part, just use your imagination. It goes through, and it's got to go through that hole too. And this part's hard to tape. So you put that in there. Right? That in there, and aim for that, aim for this back hole here. It could be hard. I don't recommend taping and doing it at the same time because it's pretty hard. Kind of need both hands. But look, I've done it a bunch of times, so I got it. So look, y'all see that scratch? Y'all put that scratch on my lock. I'm not happy about that. I'm not happy about that. But look, it's in now. I got a scratch on my lock because y'all can't see. No, I'm just playing. But there it is, man. That's as good as I could do, and that's as good as I'm gonna do. If you can't get your trunk lock in, then use a screwdriver.